Hello everybody, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to make popcorn. So without wasting much of your time, the first ingredient you need is your corn. The popcorn corn, you're going to get it from the market. Then the next ingredient you'll be needing is your sugar. Then the next ingredient you're also going to be needing is your milk. Then you're also going to be needing a bowl, and you're also going to be needing a pan. If you have those popcorn pots, I mean those pots that the cover has that turning spoon on top, if you have it, go ahead and use it, but I don't have it, so I'm going to be using my pan. Then you also need your vegetable oil. So let's get down to business. Then you're going to heat your pan. So here my pan is heating. Then you go straight and pour a little amount of vegetable oil. Sorry, I did not film when I was pouring my vegetable oil. So after you pour your vegetable oil, you now add your sugar. Okay, I'm adding 3 spoons of sugar. Then after adding your sugar, you go ahead and turn. You can stir properly. I hope you know that if you fry this for a little while, the sugar is going to melt. Yeah, that's what we are looking for. Then you go ahead and add your corn. Mind you, are going to fry this corn bit by bit. You're not going to pour all of them together because we do not have that pot. So you're going to fry it bit by bit. So that's what I'm doing now. You just have to follow me. You fry it bit by bit. And this should be done on a very low heat, because if you are going to do this on a high heat or medium heat, your popcorn is likely to burn. So you're going to do this on a low heat, and you wait for your popcorn to start popping. That's its natural phenomena. It's going to pop. So once it starts popping, you're going to now cover the pan and allow everything inside to pop. If you're still watching this video, I guess this is the right time for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is free. Please just press the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you so much. Yeah, so you can see for yourself that everything is gradually popping. So our popcorn is 50% ready. Okay, don't allow this to stay for a long while, because if you stay for a long while, it might get burnt. Okay, so that's just it. So after it was done popping, I had to transfer it onto a bowl. Then you go ahead and add your sugar. This one is optional because I've already added sugar before in the oil. Mind you, add this when it's still hot. Do not add this when it's cold, unless it will not stick together. So you add your sugar, you add your milk. So after we were done, you're now going to stir the popcorn so that everything can mix together. And mind you, you should add all these things when it's hot. You should add it when the popcorn is still hot so they can stick together. Okay, so our popcorn is ready. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.